I'm going to show you how you can file a complaint for a transaction on MoonPay. Now, MoonPay doesn't have a specific menu for it, so you will have to go to your desktop browser here, and then you will have to search up something called MoonPay, like this, MoonPay, right? So type in MoonPay, and then tap on complaint like this, right? So type in complaint, and then press on enter. Now, once you press on enter, you will see a website like this, right? How to submit a complaint. Tap on this. Now, once you tap on this, let's just wait for it to load. Now, from here, you just want to scroll down, and then you can see there's gonna be a button right here, right? Now, this is the button where you will need to submit a complaint from. So just tap on this, and then you see it'll say MoonPay chat assistant like this. And you can see, hi, I'm MoonPay chat assistant. How can I help you today? And then you want to type in your message. So for example, I have a transaction I want to report. So because you want to report a transaction. So I have a transaction I want to report. Just type this in, press on enter. And then you can see I just have to address it I want to report. Now let's just wait for the chatbot to actually respond to us. Now, once that's done, it'll just give a couple of predetermined message here. Now, if you want to actually speak to a customer service, which obviously you want, you need to say, do you need further assistance regarding your personal transaction? Just tap on yes, and then it'll connect you to a customer service. I'm not going to send this because I don't want to bother a customer service agent, but just tap on yes, and then you'll get help by a customer service agent from MoonPay themselves.